Altair lighting. Add a bit of class with LEDs. The Altair LED flush mounts use a set of integrated LED chips that deliver up to 1400 lumens and will last you up to 5 years. Altair specializes in two main options: flush mount light fixtures and lanterns. One of their more popular options is the AL2161. It has a cool modern glassy finish that mixes vintage with modernity. It is easy to install, has ENERGY STAR certification, and features a replaceable LED driver. How to install Altair lighting: outdoor energy-saving LED lantern tools, safety goggles, number 2 Phillips screwdriver, pliers, electrical tape, wire cutters, wire strippers. Step 1. Make sure that the power on the wall switch is off. Step 2. Remove the lock nuts from the fixture screws. Step 3. Carefully drag all the wires out from the outlet box. Use the mounting screws to connect the mounting bracket to the outlet box. Step 4. Place the fixture onto the mounting bracket securely along with the lanyard hook. Step 5. Pull each wire from the outlet box and start peeling the insulation. Try to strip as much as 10 mm (0.39 inches) from each wire. Finally, connect the corresponding fixture wires to the supply wires. Step 6. Detach the lanyard hook from the fixture. Gather all the wires, connections, and the lanyard hook and tuck them into the outlet box. Step 7. Ensure that the screws protrude from the wall at least 8 mm. Take the wall plate out and connect the fixture screws. Tighten the hex nuts on the mounting bracket. Step 8. Carefully tuck all the wires and wire connectors into the outlet box. Finally, place a washer over each fixture screw and secure the fixture into place using the lock nuts. Step 9. When you're done installing the fixture, cork the upper 2/3 of the mounting surface to the wall plate. Step 10. Restore power at the fuse box and switch the power on at the wall switch to test the fixture. Lanterns can add a real touch of class to your outdoor lighting. We showed you how to mount your outdoor lantern and hope that you have found this guide to be helpful.